This is a video about how to reach creative burnout in the fastest way possible, because that's basically what I've been doing in the past 30 days or so by doing this YouTube challenge of creating a video every single day. I feel extremely burnt out, and I wanted to just talk about what I've learned in terms of what to do if you want to burn out faster. You can take that and reverse it, obviously. So the first thing is creating every day is actually not bad. I don't think that's the thing. To burn out faster, you need to always be doing something that you dislike. For me, that is video editing. And to be honest, I haven't really done that much editing with my videos, so that aspect of it isn't that hard, but it's the fact that I keep doing it every day and the fact that I dislike it that makes it easier for me to burn out. And there are some videos that I did edit and it took a lot longer to edit, but even then, for instance, for my juggling video and for my Rubik's Cube video, I really enjoyed those videos. Despite those videos taking much longer to edit, I felt like the reward at the end was better because I enjoyed the video myself. But at the same time, I still felt the burn from it. I still felt my soul getting more and more flayed as the hours went on when I edited. So that's how to burn out faster, is to just continuously do that. Obviously, if you don't want to burn out, then try to space that out, because I sort of see it as you having hit points or a life bar. If that life bar hits 0, then it's going to take some time for you to respawn, perhaps a week to a month to maybe never if you burn out all the way. So that's something to watch out for. I feel like I kind of reached close to 0 hit points. Luckily for me, because I did the smartest thing possible of doing videos like these, where it's one shot and I just edit out maybe really bad takes of me talking, and that's it. So it's very much easier to do for this challenge of uploading every day. If I was forcing myself to do something let's say the challenge videos every single day, I would be burnt out completely right now for sure because of the amount of editing. Another way to burn out fast is to make a whole lot of videos that you don't really care much for at the source level. And when I say source level, I mean 15 of my videos were basically titles taken from other popular videos out there, because part of the challenge is to see can I also learn from how to do YouTube correctly in terms of modeling success and everything. I didn't necessarily dislike it that much, because I got to give my own take of that version of the video. For instance, 5 habits that changed my life and so on. It's based off a video where other people talked about the habits that changed their life, but I talked about my own instead. And for me, I actually really enjoyed that video because I went around filming. So that aspect I really enjoyed. I love filming, going to nice places and just filming. But despite enjoying some aspects of it, I still feel because I didn't really want to make those videos deep down, it added to burning out faster. And that's why for a while after this challenge, I'm gonna just create videos that I really want to make. Next, if you want to burn out faster, is to upend your life and the consistent things that you did. For instance, for me, I was exercising more consistently back then and also playing piano more consistently back then, which are 2 things I really love and really need in my life. I just stopped doing them and dedicated everything to the challenge of uploading every day. And that is a really good way to burn out faster, because when you don't do the things that sort of rejuvenate you, your body and your mind starts to wither. It just starts to plummet and go down, because you're not really living. You're kind of giving everything in your life to this one thing that yeah, it is a challenge, and I set that challenge up myself and told myself I would accomplish it, and I did. But was it worth it? I don't know. I learned a lot from it, so I'll talk about that in a different video. But for sure, it got me closer to creative burnout, really fast. So if you don't want to burn out, do the opposite. Make sure you're living a healthy life where you can be consistent with the things that rejuvenate you, and also just see friends, hang out with people, go out. I feel good tonight because I actually went out compared to editing in my room. So yeah, that's how to combat the burnout instead. So those are my tips on how to burn out as fast as possible. Obviously, don't follow them and do the reverse. I'm very, very happy that I'm done with this challenge and finally moving on to a more healthy pace. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.